So in this video, we're unboxing this collectible set from Hot Toys. It's gonna be the Harry Potter Christmas version collectible set. This Cosbi set has Hermione, Harry Potter, and Ron. So here's a quick look at the box art design. And now, let the unboxing begin. So inside the box, you can see there's floating candles behind, which I find pretty cool. You can use that as a background for your toy photography. Now let's go back to the figures. So we're gonna take a closer look at each figurine one by one. Let's start off with Hermione. Nice touch over there. The magic effects with cute little stars. She's wearing a Christmas sweater. This is the Cosbi Hermione Granger. Next, let's take a close look at Ron Weasley. So this is Cosbi Ron. Very cute figurine. He's eating some magical popcorn, I guess. She's also wearing a Christmas sweater and pajamas. And it really does look like Ron Weasley. Very cute. Next, we're gonna take a look at Harry Potter. So each Cosbi figurine stands at around 3 inches tall, and each one comes with the base stand. So this is Harry Potter. Another cute one. You can see his lightning mark on his forehead. He has some cute eyeglasses. He's wearing his Hogwarts sweater, and he's holding a gift. Nice. This is Harry Potter Cosbi from the Christmas collectible set. So each Cosbi comes with its own base stand. In this series, Hot Toys provided a mint green base stand for Harry Potter. Now it also comes with clear acrylic plastics to support your figurines. Now let's put together the Harry Potter Christmas version collectible set with Hermione, Ron, and Harry. So this is Hermione. So each one comes with a green mint base stand, and Hot Toys also provided plastic support for each Cosbi so they can balance well, like that. So that's Hermione. Then let's get Ron. Very cute. And he also have a clear base support. And let's see, so this. Yep, correct. So this is the base stand. There you go. Now let's get Harry Potter. So this one also have display support. Just slot it in over here, and there you go. So these are the 3 Cosbi bobblehead figurines from Hot Toys.